How to fix Fortnite for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script to uninstall Fortnite on a Mac. #bin/bash #quit Fortnite if it's running ipgrep Fortnite/dev/null, then echo quitting Fortnite osascript quit app Fortnite fi #remove Fortnite application and related files echo removing Fortnite sudo rmrf/application/fortnite.app/rmrf/library/application/fortnite/rmrf/library/caches/fortnite/rmrf/library/caches/fortnite/preferences/com.epicgames.launcher.plist rmrf/library/preferences/com.epicgames.unrealengine.plist rmrf/library/save_application/state/com.epicgames.fortnite.savedState/ Uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if Fortnite is currently running and quits it if it is. It removes the Fortnite application from the applications folder. It removes the Fortnite related files from the user's library folder. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_fortnite.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_fortnite.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_fortnite.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the Fortnite application. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.